The Galaxy S26 Ultra brings a new version of Galaxy AI, and this year Samsung is moving in a more proactive direction. Galaxy AI is no longer just about tools you open manually when you need them. On the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the phone can understand more context, surface relevant information, and suggest the next step before you even ask. So in this video, let's take a closer look at what is new in Galaxy AI on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Welcome back to SamMobile TV, you're here with Max. Galaxy AI first launched with the Galaxy S24 series, and since then Samsung has continued to expand it. But until now, most Galaxy AI features were reactive. You had to tap a button, ask a question, edit a photo, translate something, or summarize a web page. While you can still do all that with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Galaxy AI has become more proactive. The idea is simple. Galaxy AI is not just waiting for you to use it, it can understand more context and suggest useful actions at the right moment. A good example of this is Now Nudge. Now Nudge understands what is on your screen and suggests the next logical step. If you're reading a message about an event, it might suggest adding a reminder or checking your calendar. If a friend asks for photos, it can bring up relevant images without making you search through your gallery manually. Now Brief has also been improved. It still gives you a daily overview with your schedule, upcoming events, and health data from the Samsung Health app, but on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it can also pick up details from messages, emails, and notifications. So if you have a hotel booking confirmation in your email or a coupon expiring today, Now Brief can surface that information for you too. Photo Assist has also received a major upgrade in One UI 8.5. It is no longer just an object removal tool. It now includes AI Eraser, Move, Create, and Style. AI Eraser lets you remove unwanted objects from photos, Move lets you reposition parts of an image, Create lets you change a scene with voice or text prompts, and Style can transform a photo into different looks like a comic, 3D cartoons, or clay figure. Samsung is also adding Creative Studio. This is a separate Galaxy AI tool for generating images from text prompts. So instead of editing a photo you already have, you can create something new from scratch. You can use it for stickers, wallpapers, greeting cards, profile cards, and invitations. It also works with Samsung Notes, so you can create visuals and add them directly into a note. Another useful upgrade is Audio Eraser. On the Galaxy S25 series, Audio Eraser helped remove background noise from videos you recorded yourself. On the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it now works in real time when watching videos in supported third-party apps. You can turn on Audio Eraser from the quick panel while a video is playing. There is also a noise reduction slider and a voice focus toggle, which can make dialogue easier to hear. That can be useful when you're watching things like sports highlights, interviews, or even a football World Cup clip with a lot of background noise. Then there's notification highlights. This feature summarizes long chat notifications from supported messaging apps, so instead of seeing 10 separate messages from a group chat, you get a shorter version of what was said. It also learns which notifications you usually check first and moves the most relevant ones higher in the notification panel over time. And of course, existing Galaxy AI features are still here as well. Samsung Browser can summarize web pages, translate text and images, and even answer questions about the page you are reading. But thanks to the improved NPU in the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, these features now run faster and more reliably. Overall, the biggest changes is that Galaxy AI feels more proactive on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It can still edit photos, summarize content, translate text, and clean up audio, but now it also does more in the background and can suggest useful actions at the right moment. That makes Galaxy AI feel less like a collection of separate tools and more like something that is built into the way you use your phone every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.